Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very exciting. We will talk about your goals and your future plans in English.
Yes, this is super important. We all have goals, right? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to learn English. Maybe you want to travel.
And today, we will help you talk about those goals in simple English.
Don't worry if you are a beginner. We will go step by step, slow and easy.
We will listen, then discuss, then repeat. This will help you remember.
And quick reminder, if you enjoy learning with us, follow the podcast and share it with a friend.
All right, let's start learning. Part 1. Talking about goals.
First, let's learn a simple sentence. My goal is...
Yes, very easy and very useful. Repeat after me. My goal is...
Now let's add something. My goal is to learn English.
Good. Another example. My goal is to get a good job.
Listen again. My goal is to get a good job.
Now you try. Say your goal. Good job. Even if your sentence is small, it's okay.
Yes, small is perfect. Simple is strong.
Part 2. Talking about the future.
Now let's talk about the future. We use I will.
Repeat. I will.
Example, I will study English every day.
Another one. I will wake up early.
Listen again. I will wake up early.
Now you try. Say one sentence with I will. Great. You're improving already. Part 3. I want to versus I will.
Now let's learn something important. I want to and I will are different.
Yes, I want to means desire. I will means decision.
Example, I want to learn English.
Desire.
I will learn English every day.
Decision. Listen again. I want to learn English. I will learn English every day.
Now you try both.
Nice. That's a big step. Part 4. Real-life conversation.
Let's listen to a small conversation.
Ronald, what is your goal?
My goal is to speak English fluently.
That's great. What will you do?
I will practice every day.
Nice. When will you practice?
I will practice in the morning.
Good plan. Now let's break it down.
My goal is to speak English fluently.
Repeat. I will practice every day. Repeat.
I will practice in the morning.
Repeat. Good job. Part 5. Talking about time.
Now let's talk about time.
We can say every day, every morning, every night.
Example, I will study every day.
I will read every night.
Example, my quick breakfast is a banana. Then, I study English.
See? Simple daily routine.
Now you try one sentence with time.
Nice. Part 6. Asking about goals.
Now let's learn questions.
What is your goal?
Repeat. What is your goal?
Another question. What will you do?
Repeat. What will you do?
Now a short conversation.
What is your goal?
My goal is to get a better job.
What will you do?
I will study new skills.
Good answer.
Part 7. Adding more detail.
Now let's make longer sentences. My goal is to learn English because I want to travel.
Nice. Another one. I will study every day because I want to improve.
Listen again. I want to improve.
Now you try. Add because.
Very good.
Part 8. Practice again.
Now let's practice again. Listen first. My goal is to be healthy.
I will exercise every day.
My goal is to save money.
I will not spend too much.
My goal is to speak English.
I will practice with friends.
Now repeat with us.
My goal is to be healthy.
I will exercise every day.
My goal is to save money.
I will not spend too much.
My goal is to speak English.
I will practice with friends.
Great job! You are doing amazing.
Yes, keep going.
Part 9. Mini speaking practice.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions.
Question 1. What is your goal?
Pause and answer.
Nice.
Question 2. What will you do?
Pause and answer.
Good.
Question 3. When will you do it?
Pause and answer.
Excellent.
Wrap up. Let's review what we learned today.
We learned, my goal is,
I want to.
I will,
And we also learned to talk about time.
like every day and every morning.
And you practiced real conversations.
That's very important.
Remember, speak a little every day.
Small steps, big progress.
You are improving already.
Before we go, here is a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your biggest goal right now?
And one more, what will you do tomorrow to reach your goal?
We would love to read your answers.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Keep practicing.
Bye.